Okay, so we've got a 2018 Mazda CX-8 automatic with 15,000 kilometers on the clock in a beautiful deep red metallic. The Sky Active, got the reverse camera, reverse sensors, tinted windows, shadow chrome alloy wheels, and presents in as new condition, still under factory warranty. Just a beautiful car. A radar cruise there as well. We'll take a look at the inside. So we've got the cruise control there on the steering wheel. Yeah, definitely radar cruise, Bluetooth. There's your speedo there, 15,000. Got the satellite navigation, a big screen for your reverse camera, dual zone climate air conditioning. Got a couple of keys. There's your navigation hub. Driver's seat, like brand new with the side airbags as well. There's your front passenger. There's your back seat there as well. And there's your rear seats folded flat. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.